Not happy when websites load in a cramped mobile view on your iPhone? With iOS 26, the Chrome browser actually lets you set a default site view so you don't have to keep switching back and forth. You can choose between mobile or desktop view, and once it's set, Chrome will always open pages the way you want. Let me show you how. First, open the Chrome app on your iPhone. At the bottom right corner, tap the three dots to open the menu. Swipe through the menu icons and tap Settings. From here, scroll all the way down and tap Content Settings. Inside, you'll see the option for Default Site View. Go ahead and tap it. Now, you'll be asked to choose between mobile or desktop view. By default, it's set to mobile, which is why websites load in a simplified layout. If you prefer the full desktop experience, like wider layouts, full menus, or desktop-style features, tap Desktop instead. Once you've made your choice, tap Done to save. Now let's test it. Go back to Chrome, open any website, and you'll notice it now loads in your chosen default view automatically. No more manually switching every time. This is especially useful if you visit sites that don't display well on mobile. For example, some banking or work-related websites are easier to navigate in desktop mode, while blogs or news sites may look cleaner in mobile mode. With this setting, you're always in control. And that's it. You've just learned how to change the default site view in Chrome on your iPhone. If this quick guide helped you customize your browsing, give the video a like and check out my other iOS 26 tutorials for more simple tips to make your iPhone work exactly how you want. Thanks for watching.